This is Aisha, and she's playing with her barn toy, huh? Let's watch her play with it. She gets kicking and smiling, huh? You like this, huh? Yeah. Aisha's about 3 months old. You can smile, huh? Let's see how much she can kick. She can kick off her blanket. She doesn't like her blanket on. Come on, kick it off, kick it off. Come on. Here, baby. Kick it off, kick it off. One more kick, come on. Kick it off. Good job, baby. Hey. Hey, cutie. I'll turn that down. Oh, you are so cute. Yes, you are. Ah, you trying to talk? What is this thing in my hand? Good. Good. Oh. Oh, this is so fun. Aisha's learned how to kick, and she's learning how to use her hands. She can smile and giggle. Yeah. And she's really freaking cute. Huh? She's like, yeah, I'm pretty cute. He's a cutie. Smile! Smile! Oh. Anyways, that's Aisha. And the ant looks like crap from nothing. Oh. Alright, well that's our movie. Say bye! Bye! Wave with our foot! Mwah. Smile one more time, come on. Smile! Smile! Okay, bye!